So this video is a Poptropica cheat that I just found. What you do is you go on to poptropica.com and then you just go on to your account. And then you're going to go to Reality TV Island on the map. Looks like that. And then if you've already gotten the helicopter on top of the motel, you're going to go up to the helicopter. And what you do is you jump on top of the wings of the helicopter, and then you start spinning. Or if you run one way, then you'll run towards it, kind of like you're on a treadmill. And so, that's a cool Poptropica cheat.